So I picked up this Aqua water nozzle sprayer, and it's pretty solid. I've got a lot of cheap ones in the past that have just kind of rusted out over the summer, or that are just super duper cheap. But I needed something that was a little better. This one's super solid construction. It was easy to use. It's got a good amount of power on the solid setting, enough that it's going to get your driveway clean, but it's no pressure washer. But it's going to do a pretty good job. It seemed to be doing a good job of getting my driveway clean, after the getting leaves off. But it's got a number of different settings. This is the flat setting. You can see that's there. The center spray. It's very similar to the cone, except the cone is just kind of a wider. Yeah, the cone's wider, but it's got no water in the middle of the cone spray. This one would be good for watering my plants, my flowers, and this is a mister. I'm not really sure what I'd use that for, but it's there. And then, of course, the shower one is quite a good spray, but it's hollow spray in the middle as well. This little switch on the back means that you don't have to hold anything down to keep it on. It just stays on, which makes it more comfortable for your hands. This is my little garden I'm starting this year. I've just got a pea plant and a rhubarb plant, and I'm just trying the different sprays to see if I can figure out which is going to be the most gentle on the leaves. And you know what, to be honest, most of the settings were quite gentle on the leaves. None of them were, crazy harsh or anything like that. So, but they did a pretty good job of soaking it.